future simple with going to. Affirmative form. The future. A canvas waiting to be splashed with vibrant possibilities. But how do we weave words into that painting? Enter the trusty going to in its positive, future-forming glory. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the cases where going to shines. First, planned events and intentions. This is where going to throws on its calendar and meticulously schedules the future. Use it for plans you've already made, often with specific details attached. Examples: I'm going to visit my family next summer. We're going to bake a cake for your birthday. She's going to study hard for her exams. Second, predictions based on present evidence. Think of going to as your personal fortune cookie, offering forecasts based on what you can see right now. It's all about logical conclusions or educated guesses. Examples: it's raining, so it's going to get muddy outside. Their company is doing well, so they're going to expand soon. She looks nervous, so she's probably going to forget her lines. Third, intentions based on feelings and beliefs. Here, going to gets a bit emotional, allowing us to express future actions driven by our present desires. Or convictions. Examples: I'm going to help you through this, no matter what. We're going to fight for what we believe in. She's going to follow her dreams. Now that we know when to use it for, how do we build a sentence? Building a sentence using going to is pretty straightforward. Here's how to do it. Subject. Start with the person, animal, or thing. That will be doing the action. Plus, verb to be. Add the appropriate form of to be based on the subject. Am, is, or are. Plus going to, plus base verb, like eat, talk, sleep, or any other. Don't forget to give extra details. You can add details like adverbs or objects depending on what you want to say. Remember, you can shorten I'm going to I'm gonna, or we're gonna in informal speech. Look for words like next week, soon, probably, I think, or I hope to identify potential going to sentences. So, there you have it. Going to in its affirmative form. If you got any questions about navigating the future with going to, don't hesitate to ask. We're always here to help you turn your wishes into words. Visit our website to book a tutoring session or find helpful sources to improve your language skills. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.